three best BB gun Glocks on the market. The Glock 19X Gen 5 full blowback replica, two of the Glock 19X Gen 3s, one BB, one 6mm. Let's start with the blowback. Glock 19X Gen 5 full blowback. Very powerful. Very accurate and target. Get on this side now. Right next to me. Very powerful, very accurate. Blowback. Okay, now. Glock 19X Gen 3 BB gun. They'll drop one 15-round clip. Very powerful, very accurate. Just loaded CO2. Safety on. Even blows your hand back, people. Look at that power. Blows your hand back. Get over there. This thing is not bad. It's not a blowback, but it's got power where it lifts your hand. Very accurate. Now let's try the 6mm Glock 19X Gen 3. 6mm. Definitely not as powerful, but dead on accurate. Dead on accurate. People, show these three. The best Glock BB guns on the market. Best blowback there is. By far.